Hi, good day, everybody. So, what is cloud computing, right? So, cloud computing, in traditional way or before cloud computing, right? If you're a business owner or you want to run a company, the first thing you have to do is to go and have a website, a web application, right? And this application running in the server. What is server? A server is a computer that runs 24/7. Like is something that responds to users when the users want to access your website or application. So you need a server to be able to run your application, right? So now imagine this. In the traditional sense, a business owner or how do we say it, or a company owner has to own a server, like buy a server, buy a computer, right, and put it in the office on AC, right, so that the computer will not be hot, right. So also there will be the maintenance person to be maintaining the the computer, right, and everything. So here is the problem with the traditional um, way, because it's not that scale. It doesn't scale that much. What I mean by that is that just imagine something now. Imagine that during festive period, right, like during Christmas or New Year, right, your users jump from 100 users to about 1,000 users, right? And the business owner, you are at your you are at home doing your festive year, about maybe your customer are complaining of lagging service, like they can't be able to access some pages, the pages is taking time to load and thereabouts, right? So that makes you lose customers. I mean, I will not want to wait for minutes before I access an application. If it's taking time to load, I leave the application to other places, right? So that is where cloud computing comes in. Cloud computing allows, right, allow the business owner or an individual to go and borrow server, like go and rent a server instead of you having your own server, having your own computer. You go and borrow a server, in the sense that you pay as you go. Because you pay as you go, that means you pay for the server you are getting, right? So cloud computing is help you to manage your server and thereby, and you pay for what you use. So in today, cloud computing is dominating everywhere. Like there's no application that is not running on the cloud. One way or the other, it's running on the cloud, right? So cloud computing make it easier to run your application, right, on the cloud. Like and it's not only server that's cloud computing, like lot of resources. Like we have database. Our database can be run on the cloud, right? We have machine learning and AI, right? So there are a lot of machine learning that the cloud helps you to run. While we have even the networking, we want a private network on the internet, we want a public network, right? And a lot of services like that, lot of resources like that. So cloud computing helps you to manage all of these resources. Then you pay for what you use, you pay for exactly what you use, you pay as you go. Thanks for watching. The next video we'll be talking about cloud engineer, what they do, why do we have cloud computing, and why is cloud computing